Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video, as you might guess, we're going to be looking at an echo input. This is a small version of all the other echo devices that are out there. The larger full-size echo or the echo dot. All those have their purpose, but most of those are designed for someone who doesn't have a speaker or a device that they want to use other than it. So they provide their own speaker and microphone system and smart controls all in that one device. Well, this thing is not designed for that. It comes with your standard 3.5mm headphone jack, a standard micro USB, and power adapter, and of course this itty bitty echo input. I had no idea how small this thing was when I picked it up. I just thought, you know what, I need to get one of these. I've got lots of the other devices. I just need to see what this thing is all about. It definitely would work well in like a home theater system, or even here I've got a set of just old computer speakers where you already have the speaker system and you just want the smart controls or something like that, just to allow you to have an input into your smart control system. So let's go ahead and plug this thing up. I want to see. Of course, you look for your device, and you want a device that has that auxiliary cord, or use the one that comes with it if yours doesn't come with one. It has a single LED indicator in the center of it, and has the mute button on one side, as well as your other standard, like I said, button scheme for microphones. Has no speaker built in whatsoever. So this is not a device if you're wanting one that will talk back to you without having to hook other speakers into it or connect Bluetooth speakers or something like that. This is not the device for you. You can hear it turn on there. So I mean, that is pretty neat. I just would not have even thought
your device is ready for setup.
That it would have ever been this small here. I just couldn't believe it. But you have to, like I said, you do have to have speakers hooked to it. Bluetooth speaker that's not Alexa compatible, then this is perfect. You can pick up one of these and you can use it with it, and half the time power it off the back of the speaker, and even use it if you've got some sort of source of internet for it to communicate to you. So this is pretty awesome. I'm definitely impressed with how small they were able to make it. Extremely thin and just not very big. Would be very discreet if adding it to a home theater system in the living room or something like that. You just wouldn't even know it was there if it was placed correctly. Well, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in checking out one of these and just seeing what it's all about. There'll be a link in the description for it on Amazon. And this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.